Imagine this. You've just had a routine drug test, and it's come back positive for marijuana. Now, this may seem like a non-issue, especially if you live in a state where marijuana is legal, or if you have a medical marijuana card. However, you might be surprised to learn that a positive test can still have significant consequences. The laws and regulations surrounding marijuana use are far from simple, and they vary greatly from one place to another. For instance, just because marijuana is legal in your state, it doesn't mean employers will overlook a positive test. Similarly, having a medical marijuana card doesn't necessarily protect you from employment consequences either. The situation is further complicated by the fact that different industries have different standards and testing procedures. So, even if you're using marijuana responsibly and legally, you could still find yourself in a precarious situation. In the face of a positive marijuana test, what you need to know is the difference between DOT and non-DOT testing. So what is this DOT and non-DOT testing all about? Well, DOT, or Department of Transportation testing, is a type of drug screening that is federally mandated. This means it's required by law for certain industries, like aviation, trucking, and railroads. These tests follow a strict procedure and are designed to ensure safety in transportation-related jobs. On the other hand, non-DOT tests are not federally regulated. These tests are typically used for pre-employment screening or random workplace testing. The procedures and standards can vary widely, depending on the employer's preferences and state laws. Here's where it gets interesting. If you test positive under a DOT test, the consequences can be quite serious, including loss of certification or job. However, a positive result on a non-DOT test could lead to different outcomes, depending on the company's policies and the legal status of marijuana in your state. Knowing the difference between these two types of tests is crucial in understanding what a positive marijuana test means for you. At centraldrugtesting.com, our medical review officers deal with complex questions like these daily. With all this information, the question now is, what can you do with it? Well, knowledge is power, and understanding your local laws and regulations around marijuana use is a key step in making informed decisions. This isn't just about knowing your rights. It's about understanding the potential consequences and considering the wider impacts on your life, particularly in relation to your employment. In the ever-evolving landscape of substance regulations, staying informed is not a one-time task, but an ongoing responsibility. It's crucial to keep up to date with changes that might affect you. This proactive approach will not only help you avoid potential legal issues, but also contribute to your peace of mind. Similarly, responsible decision-making is paramount. Remember, substance use, including marijuana, is a personal choice with potential implications. It's essential to consider these factors, especially when it comes to drug testing in your workplace. Remember, a positive marijuana test can have serious implications. Stay informed, make responsible decisions, and navigate the complexities of drug testing with confidence.